Leader, there's the leader. Okay. Back your drag off when you get the leader. Back your drag off. Where's he going, Monday? Out the back. Want my lure back. Oh, he's a fatty.
Ooh-wee.
Oh, that's a fatty. Look at this. That's a big fish. I don't want the leader here. Here's the fat bar. Let him go, Monday. Don't bust him. Don't bust him. It's in the corner. We're going to get a good photo of this one. Turn him, Monday. Turn him. Turn him, Monday. Careful, Monday. Careful. Just take him easy. Take him easy. Wow. That's a fucking whopper there. Come on in, Grimmel. Got some good photos here. Hurry up, mate. Shorten them up, Monday. Shorten them right up. Shorten them right up. Good work, buddy. Take him easy. Take him easy, Monday. Take him easy. I'm just going to hold you with him. You got to shorten them up, buddy. I'm out of gear on that motor. Just shorten them up. Nice fish, man. Wow. Bring him up. Oh, fuck. Sorry, buddy. I'm turning the boat. Just hold his head up. Hold his head up. He'll come up. Hold his head up. Yep, hold his head up. Careful. On the other side. He's on the other side of him.
Careful.
Careful. Oh, he's gone. Fucking hell, that's 800 pounds.
Wow, what a
Oh,
fish.
careful, Monday, careful. What is it? Oh, your head. Wow.
Fish of a lifetime, fella.
That's a gaff. That's an 800 pounder, mate. You missed him, mate. Everything's going on.